Hi everyone. Here's how you go about creating your own QR code. You can use these to drop on your business card or on signs or really anything where you want to be able to quickly scan something with your phone and be directed to a link that's on the internet. So the tool that I use to make these is called the QR code generator. You can see here at the top, the web address is the-qrcode-generator.com. This is a great site, it's a free tool, and is fairly simple to use. So let's get started making a code. So to make a code, you will want to make sure that you have the right web address. So today I'm going to create a code for my website. So the best way to make sure that you're getting the link correct is to go to the website you want to link to and go to the address bar here and copy the code. So that's Command-C on Mac or Control-C. Then we go back over to the QR code generator website and we paste this. And just like that, you can see that I've pasted in the web address and this QR code over here on the right has changed. So what I need to do is just hit this little arrow here. When you hover over it, it says download, and it will give you some options. So you'll see here, there is a field where you can type in the file name. So that will be how it will what it is named when it goes into your computer folder. So you will probably want to name this something like Ambletown website QR code. So if you're making a bunch of QR codes, you can easily see which is which when you download them. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download. And you can see that I now have this QR code saved to my computer. And you can go ahead and drop this into Word or Canva or your design program of choice if you're making cards or signs. And when somebody scans this, they will get taken to your website. Now, before you go running off into the hills, you do want to make sure that the QR code actually works. So once you have it downloaded, make sure that you open the camera app on your phone and test out the code. Now I'm doing this right now. You can't see this because it's a screen recording, but I see that it has successfully gone to my website. So always make sure you test. The other thing I recommend doing is wherever you are printing a QR code, also make sure that you are printing the web address, because sometimes people will accidentally take a photo of the code instead of clicking on it. So if they are going through their camera roll later and trying to get to your website, they might find it easier to actually just have the web address to type in. Otherwise, they have to find another phone to take a photo of the photo code on their phone, and it's a huge disaster. So always make sure that you print both the QR code and the web address or your social media handles if it's going to a social handle. That way you'll make sure you won't miss anyone and everybody can find your website or whatever you want to point them to. That's it. That's everything. That's how to do a QR code. Thanks for listening.